Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to today's tutorial. We're excited to guide you through the process of setting up Dark Tunnel VPN using premium v2ray settings. This setup will provide you with enhanced online security and privacy. Let's get started with the step-by-step guide. Step 1. Access the private SSH site. First, open your Chrome browser and search for a reputable private SSH site. This site will be instrumental in helping you configure your VPN settings. Step 2. Open the menu. Once you arrive at the site, locate and tap on the three horizontal lines, the menu icon, to view the available options for configuration. Step 3. Select v2ray protocol. From the options presented, select the v2ray and X-ray sections. Next, proceed with the v2ray VMS protocol, which is known for its robust performance and security features. Step 4. Choose your server location. Now, select your desired server location by tapping on the Select Server button. Ensure you also choose your server duration. Opting for 30 days of validity is typically a good choice for consistent service. Step 5. Create your account. Take a moment to note the available servers that best suit your needs. Once you've made your selection, click on Create Account to initiate the account setup process. Step 6. Complete the verification. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the bug host in the provided box. Solve the CAPTCHA to verify that you are not a robot, and then click on the Create Account button to move forward. Step 7. Copy your account details. Congratulations! Once your account is successfully created, you will have the option to click on Copy to save your account details. These will be essential for configuring your Dark Tunnel VPN. Step 8. Install Dark Tunnel. To proceed, download and install the Dark Tunnel app from the Google Play Store. This app will enable you to set up your secure connection effectively. Step 9. Open the Dark Tunnel app. After installation, launch the Dark Tunnel app. Tap on the three-dot icon in the upper corner to access more options. Step 10. Import your configuration. Select the Config option, followed by Import, and then choose Clipboard. This action will automatically paste your v2ray account details into the app, simplifying the setup process. Step 11. Adjust your settings. Before connecting, ensure that you make any necessary adjustments by updating your target server. Once you're satisfied with your settings, tap the Connect button to initiate a secure connection. Conclusion. Thank you for joining us in this educational session. If you have any questions or need clarification on any steps, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We also invite you to connect with us on our Telegram and WhatsApp channels. Links are provided in the description for your convenience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.